Hi guys, so it's another tutorial with one layer ashoki material. So if you have one layer ashoki material, you just fold it up as it is being displayed on my screen like this. Share it into two like this, fold it up like this, and use your hand to pull up some material. Like you are using your hand to divide it. It's just a bit, not too much. Use your hand to divide it up like this. Then you need an elastic band to replace your hand. You're going to remove your hand, so you need elastic band or any band to replace the hand. So that is the band I'm using. I'll use it to replace my hand there. And once I'm done replacing my hand, I'll move to the next step, which is opening up the middle part of that material and folding it down like this. I'll grab another band and I will use the elastic band to replace my hand. Sorry I couldn't display that place. I didn't know I wasn't recording the part while I was compiling the video. So now, after I use my elastic band to replace my hand at the middle like that, so I have two parts left, so I will stretch it out like this and place on my head. Once it is stretched out like this, I will arrange the side like folding an inch in for both sides so that it will lay. I'll repeat the same process to the other part like that. Then I will direct excess backward to secure. I'll raise my hair up like this so that I'll be able to pull the fabric underneath. So I'll go like that, and what I will do there is I will not knot, rather I will direct all the excess fabric forward after I must have crossed the hand. You're going to cross the hand at the back like this. So once I cross the hand like this, okay, I'm going to take it to the front, all the excess. So I'm going to pick one part up and direct it to the back like this. You can find a way to secure it down, but the way I secured here is I pulled some elastic band up and I dip the excess in, so it was safe there. The other part, I didn't dip it into the band. If I want to, I can do that, but I just take it round like this and I secure it somewhere at the side by dipping it in. For securing, you can add your office pin or you dip it inside the band and you are good. Now I'm coming to the back to give it final adjustment. Okay, so I'll shift to the middle like this, shift my what's it called, my gele backward, and add a brooch to beautify at the center. If you don't have a brooch, it's nice, just make sure you use the color that blends with the fabric and you are good to go. So here I'm done with the um edge wrap using one layer ashoke. So if you have one layer ashoke, don't bother anymore, you can try this out. Thanks for watching.